Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to the Scrappy 8 monthly challenge. And the challenge for the month of June is things that make my heart sing. So for this challenge, the things that make my heart sing, aside from family and health and things like that, are when I can complete a project, like artistically, within like a small frame of time. So my goal for this challenge is to complete this project in like 10 minutes. I'm just going to make like a little layout, and I'm using a journal that I was gifted by Felicia of Where Baking and Crafting Meet. She gifted this to me years ago, a few years ago, and so I've worked in it a little bit, and so I'm going to make another layout. Let's see which page. I think I'm going to use this page right here. This is really cute. It's got that summery vibe. So I'm just going to add to it, and I'm just going to create a layout using various things. And I've got some napkins, and I don't have my timer on me, but what I'm probably going to do is I'll just put this video in fast forward motion, and you'll just see some of the basic things that I'm going to put on here, and let's just get to crafting. So this is pretty much it, guys. I got my layout completed in a reasonable amount of time. It was a little bit longer than 15 minutes, but still. It's a whole lot quicker than what I usually do. So I made this little tag using some various color infusions, and just added an eyelet and this little ribbon, and I feel like it kind of completes the page. And you know, I just added some different little stickers and die cuts and fussy cuts and things like that. I wanted to give it like a spring, well, it's really summertime now, but I just wanted to put some various colors and textures and things like that in here. And so I just used some stamps, some scraps, literally some junk mail, and then some other little bits and bobs that I've had from other projects, and just different stickers, washi tape, different mediums, stuff like that. So this is what makes my heart sing. I love art. Art makes my heart sing. And when I can complete projects much quicker than I normally do, that's a plus. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And check out the Scrappy 8 Facebook group, and I'll have a link in the description on how you can participate. Every month they have a challenge, and it's really fun. Lots of artists, different people with different ideas and stuff like that. So go check them out. And as always, I thank you guys so much for watching.